Your website might look fine until it suddenly doesn't. Skipping maintenance can cost you big, and here is how to avoid that. First, minor issues become major ones. Broken links, outdated plugins, and slow pages can lead to full-blown site failure unless you catch them early. Second, security. Outdated websites are easy targets for hackers. One breach could cost you your entire website or your customers' trust. Third, performance. A sluggish website hurts your SEO and turns visitors away. Regular tune-ups keep it running fast and ranking high. Fourth, backups. If something goes wrong, you want to restore your website quickly. Without regular backups, you might have to rebuild from scratch. Skip the stress, skip the emergency bills. A little website maintenance now saves you time, money, and missed opportunities later. Want peace of mind? Let Rimidesigns take care of your website so you can focus on your business. For more small business tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel.